Hieroglyphics are really, really tough to try and decipher. That's because they can mean 4 different things. So the main thing they can represent, here is my goose that I'm told looks like a duck. A goose can represent a goose, so you're talking about a goose. The other thing it can do is it can work as a determiner, so it can determine what another symbol means. So if you draw something stupid like that, and people think, what the hell's that mean? They'll look at the goose and think, oh, maybe it means a wing. So it's used as a determiner. And I'm pretty certain that the ancient Egyptian word for goose was not goose. However, the third way of deciphering hieroglyphics, on hieroglyphs I should say, is that it represents the sound that the word starts with. So let's say the word in ancient Egyptian was goose. Goose could also stand for g. The final way is totally weird because it can just mean something totally different. So a goose, in some texts, stands for knowledge or information. The Welsh word for to know is gwbod. It actually comes from gwyddbod in sort of medieval Middle Welsh. We still use that gwydd part today. Gwyddost means you know, although these days we just say rwyt ti'n gwbod. And gwyddon means we know. Again, usually we just say dyn ni'n gwbod. What makes this even cooler is that the gwydd part, if I do this, gwydd means goose.